Hey Camila, this is Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. Thanks for speaking. So let's jump right into it. So basically the general gist here is to use specific keywords that people are searching for and to start ranking in Google for those words organically as well as in this Google Map Pack. And I use these keywords in particular because I use a software called Ahrefs that shows me that there's about 500 searches every month for general contractors in Miami. I know it says 600 here, but some of these, like 80 of them, goes for contracting school. Obviously, you wouldn't want to rank for those. So anyways, these are buyer intent customers that are searching for the service that you guys provide. And I'm going to show you the three main ways to get there. So the first thing is the content on your home page. So if I copy everything here, and I just want to point out real quick, I really like how y'all have your information up here, including your socials. It makes it really easy for people to get into contact whenever you have that up there. So I just wanted to tell you guys good job on that. But again, if I copy everything on your home page, including the images that you see here and what they're saved as, and then I throw it into this word counter, shows that you guys have 200 words. In order to rank in Google, you typically want about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and you would want these specific keywords worked in this home page in a specific order. Okay. The next thing is backlinks, and what a backlink is basically one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. So if I copy your URL here and I throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows me the back end of your website here, and as you can see, you guys have quite a bit of backlinks already. So you have 235 coming from 43 different websites, and as you can see, you guys have a good bit already, so that's a good base. However, this is your trust flow from Google, and Google does not trust your website not near as much as it should trust it, considering the amount of backlinks that you have. So really, in order to have a perfect world, it would be, oh sorry, I said Google on my phone, was thinking I was talking to it. Yeah, sorry about that. So in a perfect world, this would be, probably like 34, and this would be 34. You would have a clean ratio there. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is citations. And what a citation is it all has to do with this Google Map Pack that we were talking about right here. And this really is where the money maker is, because a lot of people are on their mobile devices now, and these pop up on the mobile devices. But a citation is the company's name, company address, and company phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. So these people have right about 40, and that's why I wanted to use them, because they are ranking right there in the top spots. So if you wanted to double up and get 80 citations, then you guys could outrank them in this Google Map Pack, and then you would be bringing in quite a bit of these 500 people that are searching for you. So yeah, that pretty much concludes it. The three main ways to get to the top of in front of the 500 people that are searching for you online. So I hope that this was helpful and worth your time, and I do appreciate it. Bye-bye.